Hello, I am Tiffany Ledford, your instructor. I just wanted to take a few minutes to do a quick little video to just give you some details about the class. So we've pretty much wrapped up week 1, and as you can see here, the calendar is really helpful. I tried to put it out there so you can follow along what we're doing each day. I'll try to always have the next week's material up by about Wednesday of the previous week. I know some of you need to work ahead, so I will try to get that out there. A few things, we have video assignments, and those are due throughout the week. So you can see that here in week 2. And then we have homework assignments for each section. And I try to group due dates for homework assignments on Thursdays and Sunday evenings. It doesn't always work out perfect, but that's what I try to do as a grouping. Also, we have weekly activities, and you can see our first activity is due on Monday evening. That gives you all a chance to work on it over the weekend, and if you have questions, you can message me or you can ask in the forum, and you can stop by on-campus office hours. I know a lot of you are taking an online class, but if by any chance you can get to any of those on-campus office hours, you should really come by, especially for this class. Math 152 is one of those classes that uses a lot of geometry and visual graphing, and so you'll see as we get into chapter 5. So if you reach a point where you need extra help, I really encourage you to try to get into an on-campus office hour. If that doesn't work for you, then I do have my Thursday online office hours from 8:30 to 9:30. So please stop by then. If those times don't work at all, then just send me a message. Say, hey, I'm stuck on this. Can you help me? And I'll try to help you through message, or maybe we might have to set up a quick meeting online. So remember, if you're stuck, reach out for help. I'm here to help you. Another thing to talk about with our video assignments are all the questions are not manually graded. So you may have noticed that on the 4.1. The last question was kind of an essay question, and I have to manually grade that. So if you won't be able to see that you have the points, but I just went in and I graded the 4.1 video assignment. So you should be able to see all those points now. And for some of you, I left feedback. So if you go to the gradebook and you look at that assignment, you might be able to see feedback, and you can click on that and see what comment I left you on a certain question. And missing assignment. So I think this is the last thing I want to talk about today. So if you miss a video assignment, you can message me and I'll open it up for you. If you miss a homework, you have your late passes, and your late pass will open up the homework. But after a certain point, you can no longer use the late pass, but that doesn't mean you can't have the assignment open. Just send me a message and I'll open it for you. However, I do want to caution you, this class is really packed and we cover a lot. And at first we kind of start off slow, but then it ramps up pretty quickly. So make sure you're staying on top of the schedule as best as you can. And if you start to fall behind, reach out to me as soon as possible so we can work something out. So I hope you have a great weekend. Again, if you have any questions about the course or how things work, just send me a message.